Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more banking comparisons and financial advice. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. Please keep in mind that this review reflects my personal experience with these banks. Choosing between HSBC USA and Harris? In this video, we'll compare these two banking institutions, highlighting their strengths and weaknesses to help you determine which one best aligns with your specific financial needs. You can find direct links to both banks in the description for your convenience. Let's delve into their features and see how they stack up against each other. HSBC USA distinguishes itself with its extensive global network, making it a compelling choice for individuals who travel internationally or require banking services across borders. Their premier checking accounts offer perks such as fee-free international money transfers, access to a global ATM network, and dedicated customer support. For customers with substantial account balances, HSBC provides premium benefits like higher interest rates on savings accounts and a wider array of investment opportunities. However, HSBC's physical presence in the US is primarily concentrated on the East Coast. So, if you don't reside near a branch, this geographical limitation could be a significant drawback. Furthermore, avoiding monthly maintenance fees on HSBC accounts typically necessitates maintaining higher minimum balances, which may pose a challenge for individuals with more modest savings. In contrast, Harris is a regional bank with a strong presence throughout the Midwest and parts of the West. It's known for providing a more conventional banking experience with competitive features and fewer account fees compared to HSBC. For instance, their Smart Advantage checking account waives the monthly fee if you fulfill simple requirements like establishing a direct deposit. Harris has also earned a reputation for its excellent customer service and its intuitive, user-friendly mobile banking application. While Harris lacks the international reach of HSBC, it offers a comprehensive suite of personal banking services, encompassing mortgages, credit cards, and loans, all at competitive rates. For those primarily seeking a local bank with transparent fee structures, Harris presents an excellent option. To summarize, if international banking capabilities and associated benefits are essential to you, HSBC USA emerges as the superior choice. However, if you prioritize a local banking relationship, transparent fee schedules, excellent customer service, and an easy-to-navigate mobile app, Harris is likely the better fit for your financial needs. Be sure to check the description below for links to both banks and make an informed decision that aligns perfectly with your financial goals.